Hi, welcome back. Today, we will learn how to configure database API. In this video, we will walk you through the process of configuring an API. Among the various available types of APIs, we will focus on DB API. To create DB API, we need to follow the following steps. To begin, click on VDLC, that are the 9 dots, and navigate to Development. Select Middleware, and click on vConnect. Firstly, let us make a DB connection. Go to the Database Connection tab in vConnect and click Add to create a new connection. Provide a database connection name and select the database type, for example Postgres. Add environment variables for IP address, port number like 5432, database name, username, and password, setting their sandbox values accordingly. Select each variable from the drop-down after submission. Configure max active connection, max idle connection, and max wait timeout, then click Add to save the connection. Secondly, sync in Release Manager. After saving the connection, open the Release Manager from the Project Management dashboard. And click on the sync icon to synchronize the connection with the backend. Now, we will create the API using the DB connection. Open the API tab in vConnect, where you will see that REST SOAP is selected by default. Change it to Database API. Once the view updates, provide an API name such as add_numbers. Then, select the DB connection you created from the available drop-down list. Next, set the query timeout value, for example, 5 seconds. In the execution type drop-down, choose function. This will reveal the function name field. From its drop-down, select the appropriate function that matches your intended operation. After selecting the function, you will see the parameters associated with it. For parameter 1, uncheck both the Use Default and Mandatory options. Similarly, for parameter 2, uncheck the Use Default and Mandatory options. Finally, click on the Save button to create the API. This continuous process ensures that your API is configured correctly using the database connection and function settings you have specified. Finally, export the API to the service, sync it in the Release Manager, and test it. Click on the export icon to export the API configuration to services. After exporting, verify that the newly created API appears under the Service tab. Next, open the Release Manager from Project Management dashboard and click on the sync icon to sync the API with the backend. Once synced, navigate to the vConnect Services tab, click on vTest to test the service, then click on Send to generate the response and confirm that the API is working correctly. If you want to know how to use this in vDesigner, watch How to Consume API in vDesigner. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.